Good morning, San Antonio. I'm your student meteorologist, Khalil Ray, and we have a rare sight. Look at the temperature and the dew point, 69 degrees, both of them. So that means 100% saturation, and that is exactly why you're seeing some of that fog this morning. Now, the good news is it's going to start to taper off, and because of that, that dense fog advisory that we did have earlier this morning has been allowed to expire. Now, despite that, we are still seeing a couple of small showers, maybe some drizzle. That's why we saw that pretty messy commute this morning. I know about that very well. It took me 45 minutes to get here to school, but overall, that is going to start to taper off this afternoon as well, as we're expecting some sunshine. Yes, some sunshine to finally start to reappear by this afternoon. 4 o'clock, 80 degrees with some clouds still ahead, but overall, this is so much better than all of that rain that we've seen over the past couple of days and just that depressing, dreary feeling that we've had due to this very, very soggy atmosphere. Now, we're going to keep some of that sunshine throughout the rest of the period. Could see about a 10-20% chance, and that's due to this dry line. It's going to set up a little bit further to the west of us. It's going to push a little bit further east. Could see maybe a shower or storm or two as we head into the weekend. But other than that, most of that activity is going to be further up north towards the Arklatex and in the Panhandle in Oklahoma City, that area. But here, not much is really expected. Just beautiful weather overall. Now, of course, we do got to talk about how much rain we saw. I talked about how dreary it was. 6 inches. I live, as a matter of fact, in that Church-Cibolo area, and man, you heard it, and those roadways were not very kind to us at all, but just a lot of rainfall. 6 inches over towards Church-Cibolo, 4.5 inches near Seguin. So much rain, but we didn't need it, as a matter of fact, as we're expecting to get an update from this drought monitor later on tomorrow, as a matter of fact. So we could see some of these extreme areas drop a little bit to either severe or maybe even exceptional due to how much rain that we saw. In the next 7 days, I mean, it's going to be pretty beautiful. We're going to see a pretty spring-like pattern. Morning clouds to start off with. Those clouds are going to burn off. We're going to see some of that sunshine throughout the rest of the time, and some of those days are going to be hot. We're talking low 90s, 93 by Monday and Tuesday, and some very warm and humid mornings in the 70s. And of course, I'll stay here with you to give you more updates as we get an update from that drought monitor here at UIW Weather.